Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Omni. Today I'm at our facility of fiber laser cutting machine, and I'm very excited to introduce you our laser welding robot. Three main parts for this laser welding robot. The first one is the robot body, the control cabinet, and the teach pendant. The second one is the laser source and the laser welding head. And the third one is the wire feeder. Today we will guide you how to operate this laser welding robot.